polygons in Maya way is like you have to select it, then you have to invert it. Like if you invert it in shortcut way, you have to press Shift Control I, then you have the inverted selection, then you have to press delete or backspace to get the selection you want to cut out. But that's too much shortcut, so I made it easy for me and you, so you don't have to do all of this. To just select the loop or polygon you want to keep. So I want to keep this and delete all of this, so I select the strip or polygons whatever, then I press the F reverse. So no Shift Control I, then just deleting, it does it for me just in one click. Offsetting faces in Maya way is like select the loop I want to offset, then extrude face, then I have to put the offset value. And if I want to offset it, then I have to press the same value. Alright, and if I want to do this at the same time, then I have to select the loop, inner loop and outer loop, and then I have to extrude face, and then I have to offset, so it offset at the same time. So that's too much complexity, so I made it easy for me and you. So let me show you what do I mean. So I select the loop I want to offset, then I just press F offset. It's just one click. And if I want to offset this again, so I run it again, and notice the same distance remains the same, right? And all offset value remains the same. Adding thickness in Maya way is like selecting all the faces and then just extrude face and just add the value like this. Let's say I want to do this all the model with same thickness, so and I want to do it real fast, so I just select it and run F solid. So common ways of adding support loop inside Maya is by beveling. So I can do this by selecting the edges I want to bevel, press Ctrl V for the shortcut, then change the fraction value, add segments, so offset edge loop inside of Maya is like selecting the loop, offset edge loop, that's too much work, or I can run my command. Notice all the edge fraction value remains the same. So I can use it in conjunction with Maya's bevel tool to get my desired look. So here you can see randomly and the value remains the same.